So we're live for live stream 422. Let's have a look here. Let's see. Let's see if this market sets up here. Time will tell. Good old time will tell. Seems a little bit struggly. Da-dee-dee. Let's see if this gets up to target. Let's see, bring this down a little bit right there. Let's see if we get paid here. How you doing, Heath? How you doing, mate? How's your trading been going? How's your trading been going, Heath? What crypto have you traded today? Pretty good, up 16%. Yesterday. Oh, I forgot you. Oh, then again, you trade crypto, so you have your 24/7 markets. I suppose you do have the market opening last night. Which isn't too bad. Which is not bad at all. %. Was that what instruments have you traded to pick up the 16%? XRP. My buddy took the same trade, but he didn't listen. Where I told him to place his stop. Did I wash these hands? Hold on. Where I told him to place his stop, he lost, but I won. Last one, but my best setup trend setup combined with order flow is very nice. Nice to hear, mate. Hopefully your friend gets it on the next go around. And he gets a profitable trade. Trading's been a bit of a mixed bag. I've decided to go with a 5 minute. I decided to exit early as well on Friday. Could have had a really big day, but decided to exit early. Just so happens that the fundamentals were on my side with the tariffs being struck down by the Supreme Court. So the long trades, primarily on gold and silver. Oh, battery's low. Hold on. Long trades on gold and silver would have worked out tremendously for me on Friday, because here I exited, had a target much higher, but I'm just happy to take profit. So trailed aggressively and was stopped out. Hold on. Oh, let's make sure we don't change these. So I've decided to go with 5-minute charts. It's going to cut down the frequency of trades, but I like what I see from a TPO and volume profile. See, silver could cut. Oh, hold on. What's this? How long ago did I draw this level? A long time ago. Not great. Howdy, mate. How's it going, Zar Trader? Oh, so let's see. We've come down to Friday's lows. Broke it, rallied, retested it again, rallying. Well, not rallying, pulling back. Good, good. Your side. Well, I'm trying to see if NQ sets up here. Hopefully it does. Seems like they're buyers, but we still got 2 minutes to the candle close. Where is the all-time high on our friends at gold? Oh, it's a couple of weeks ago. 5,626. Still a long way to go. Still a long way to go. Seem to have some volume here around the lows. We'll see if it sets up. A minute ago, it seems this candle's going to close bearish, but Hmm. Won't be any setups over on silver or gold today. All the eggs are in the NQ basket. Oh, interesting. Low volume. Low volume. May take one more long. And if I get stopped out, then I'll call it a day. We'll see. Let's see. Hmm. Wonder if this buys at 688. Can see the market pull back short term. No, will the bears be too strong here? not the best. Looks like the buyers are back, but still got about 4 minutes to go before the close of the candle. Yeah, the 5 minute. Certainly going to be making a lot less trades, but setups take a bit longer. There are going to be occasions where the entire move is going to happen in 5 minutes, and it's just one of those things. Like, for example, this one. We've seen price come down to 91, currently trading 731s, but candle is still in play. On a shorter time frame, could have been in, could have been out, but it is what it is. Maybe this is the higher low before we go higher. Got value area low right there. Running into this high volume consolidation. There is a possibility of me getting in here and it turning around, clearing the lows, and now I'm stopped out. If that is the case, then I'll walk away. Made 2 attempts. Failed. I'll just walk away. I would just walk away. Pulling back from that high volume point. As the Joker would say, here we go. Oh, come on. Feel me. Feel me. Come on. Let's not do this now. There we go. Ah, it's 1-to-1. Not the best. It is what it is. It is what it is. It's been a very tight consolidation here on silver. Not a very big range. Let's just see what's happened here. Where are the point of control, not the value areas? Oh, I see. Come down to value area low, to the highs, to the lows. Not the same price action over on gold. Seems like we're consolidating around the highs. You see the volume there on the profile. The volume through here as well. Silver looks a little bit different. Bit more back and forth. Let's see if we can get paid here on the old NQ. Let's see if this strategy is going to validate itself. So we've got value area low, these previous highs, which could be a problem. We've also got this high volume point as well, but we'll see. Have you been doing the trend strategy? No, I've been looking at reverses off volume. Off the session profiles. So I'll be looking at 5-minute and the daily profiles. Oh, come on, what are we doing? I need to lock these in place so I don't accidentally move them around. So this trade is based on, it's pretty much this volume that we've seen in the session so far, peaking out right near the session lows, which are aligned with Friday's lows. Didn't have as much volume conducted down here. It's a bit light on volume. You can see it on the TPO chart. Bit more volume today down at that level, but we didn't break down. So we had the volume down near the lows, but we didn't break down. So who knows? Maybe that's absorption. Who knows? We do have to be aware of this high volume that we're currently around the 746, but came down. We've put in volume. We've not broken down, so let's see if we go up. But I gave you a profitable strategy. Why are you hopping? I honestly don't have a good reason why not, mate. I really don't. If I was to say there was a good reason why, I'll be lying. I'm not going to do that. I can't explain the reason why, mate. See, there's a lot of volume being conducted through here. Well, let's see. Oh my gosh, the point of control switched. Fuck. Huh. Point of control for the sessions come down here now. Golly. Just my luck. Hopefully this is absorption and we continue higher. For the high volume. I think we probably need to get to 74 and hold it. Let's see. Let's see if we can get a close above 74.50. I wonder if you can link shapes. If I was to say, would it be shift or control? Control, click, right click. How would you link them? It wouldn't be lock, would it? Maybe I should look this up. Lock drawings, trading view. Currently up at 40. Currently down 50 on the day. Maybe a little bit more after commissions. Still trying to navigate this high volume here. You can see around the TPO and this profile. A lot of volume conducted. Imagine turns around, gets stopped out. Oh. Invalidating this. We'll see. We will see. I think this is probably going to take some time. Value area low holds. Now we're going to see the navigation across. It's interesting. Can we make a value area play? Where would the stop be? What was the volume like on the way up? Spotty. This may retrace. Spotty volume on the breakout. Let's leave it alone. Is the target too aggressive? Well, it can't be. Can't go for negative risk reward. Can we get a new equity high? Yes, we can. 56, 58, 60. Almost halfway. 65, 67, over halfway. Heading towards that level I was looking for. We have got an alert set up at 74.50, 72.50. Currently 8 ticks away from that level I'm looking for. It's through the level. Gone up to 76.50. Let's see what we can do here. Closing above 74.50 on the 5 minutes is going to be an important line in the sand. Currently got 2 minutes and 24 seconds of this candle. Let's see if we can hold these higher prices. We've got as high as 77. Going into this low volume area here on the profile. 77.50. Can we get 80? Maybe this market needs to rest. Let's put an alert at the highs up at 89.25. Let's see if we can get to these recent highs. Hopefully we can get to those highs and break out. Essentially 12 points up to the 875. There'll be sellers hanging around up here. Around the 81.75, 82, 82. So between 82 and 81.75 seem to have some interest through here. So let's put an alert over there at 83. Good barometer. So we can see the P&L just hit 73 not too long ago. I want to see a strong close here. Give him back a little bit. Let's give him back a little bit here. Just gonna zoom out. Let's see. So the value area low still holding on silver. Seems like we're heading towards new highs on gold. Just keep an eye on our main instrument here. Okay, new candle. Let's see. Let's see how long it takes, if it does, to get to that 83. Doesn't seem like it's going to do it in the first minute here. But we'll see. Bit of a problem here. We are seeing falling volume. It's not ideally what we'd like to see. So if you look at the horizontal volume here, we are seeing falling volume. Not what we'd like to see going into highs. Certainly much prefer for it to go the other way. Rising volume into highs. But we'll see. So that first minute, as suspected, didn't go and break the 83s. Second minute showing more pullbacks as well. Okay, seems like minute 4 is where we're going to break the highs. Minute 4:05. See if we can get this push here. Goodness me, I've been here almost an hour. And I'm only on trade 2. Made new highs. Someone stepped in to sell there. Let's see. Got as high as 78.50. Previous highs were at 78, so 2 ticks. Someone's managed to sell this back down to 72. Interesting. Interesting. Maybe they're probably going to need some violence here. Let's go look at the other instruments. Let's see. Seems like we're about to attack higher day on gold. Seeing the transition back towards value area high on silver. BTC down 4.47%. There we go, through the attacking the 83s. So let's see if this attack, let's see if the sellers are there again. So around the 83s, we're looking at these areas before we saw this move back down. Let's see if we can get to that 89. Let's go. Currently trading 86, currently up 95 in terms of P&L. 88, come on, let's go. 5 more ticks to the 89.25. Let's just break out those highs and get to the 800 here. Golly, we came so close. Are we front run selling? 88.50, 3 ticks away. Okay, 650, 88. Should go and get that 89.25. There we go, up to 90. Don't want to see strong sellers here. Don't want to see a move back below 78. 778. Don't want to see that. Want to see 95. Let's see. 90. 91. 2. 3. 3. 4. 5. Okay, we should get to target. Just seen 95 and change, so we should get to target, but no guarantees in trading. We got to 96.75. Should get to target, but you just never know. You never know. So we're up over 100 in unrealized P&L. 111, 113. Targets, of course, are 124, 500. 114. 10 away. 10 away. 10 away. 10 away. Ah, goodness me. So, of course, there's going to be a pullback. It's never going to be easy, is it? 15, there we go. 16. Let's go. 8 away at 16. About 8.5, but let's just say 8. Can we get 117? Yep, we've got 118. We got 118.5. Can we get 120? Oh, this thing here is making... It's down to 106, 102. Oh, are we going to go below 100 in terms of open P&L? $112, $114. This is hanging around, isn't it? 115. Can we get above 118 in open P&L? Let's see. We've got as high as 799. Targets at 875. Goodness me. So what is that? 7 ticks? 7 ticks from target. Seven ticks from target. Back at 90, we found some buyers again. Back to 94. Who knows? That could have been it. We're back below 100 in open P&L. This could be the big sell now, eh? We'll see. Oh my word, we're down to 84.50. Back up to 90. Want to see 95 here. 95.5. Can we get 95.5 in the next 30 seconds? Guess not. Guess we may see that 78. Okay, so let's go with. Oh, you can't because the candle's there. Gonna have to put the at that 75. Makes zero difference. I'm keeping this trade open anyway. Oh, come on, don't stop for me. Volume around 790. What are we doing? Let's go. Let's go attack the highs. Let's go. Let's see if is there anything I'm missing here. Oh yeah, low volume area. Oh well. Come on, feel me. Feel me. Up at 95. Let's go. Do we hit 95? Oh, we got 96.25. That's a good sign. 96.25 is a good sign. Da, 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 da. 96.25 is unusual enough to take us up to at least 800. Zero evidence to support that thesis, but can't even put an alert at 800. Just leave it alone. Can only put one at 825. No good. Let's go. 99. Previous high there. Hit the previous high at 99. Hold in. Here we go. Target's filled. Let's go. Let's go. So we're at 736 after losing 56. Oh my word, we lost a lot more than I thought. Slippage. 126,500. Lost 56. Still net positive on the day. Nothing there. Don't think there's anything more here, to be honest. Let's go have a look at this. That's not what we're looking at. 906. You know what? I'm going to walk away. I am going to walk away. Let's see. Oh, sugar and spice. Where do we start today? Oh, hold on. Let's see. Mm-hmm. 69,348. 69,348. I suppose another positive day in the books. Yep, I'm going to call it a day there, guys. So, with that said, Mr. ETH, thanks for watching today. Czar Trader, thanks as well for watching today. For everybody else, good luck trading. Have a great day. And that's it for now. Oh, thanks for watching. Good luck trading. Have a great day.